How to install Steam on PC or laptop. So if you want to install Steam on your PC or laptop, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go to the search bar and search for Steam. Once you've searched, here you can go for the Welcome to Steam, which is on the upper right, or which is on the first option. And here on the upper right side, you will have Install Steam option. Click on Install Steam, and here on the left you will have Install Steam again. Click on that, and now it will start the install process. You can simply go for the downloads, which is on the upper right once it's downloaded. And here you can click on yes, and then click on next and choose your language. So I'll be choosing English, and then again click on next, and here you can choose the destination folder. So I'll be choosing desktop, and then click on OK. Now click on install, and once you click on install, now you can click on finish, and that's it. Now your Steam has been downloaded. You can sign into your Steam, or you can create a free account. So that's it. That's how you download Steam. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.